which is rare for an East Coast city.
Yes. This time of the year.
Oh, man, are you kidding? Drive deep to left. That's going to bang off that 37-foot wall. That's Jose Iglesias to second base, and let's see. He's going to get him. And now he's going to go back to first. I've never seen it like this before. Miller gets him. I've never seen that.
I haven't either, but give Nick Franklin a lot of credit to stay with that play. He missed him a couple of times, but he wouldn't let him get near the base. Actually a smart play by Iglesias, but Nick Franklin staying with the play. And what a good job by Raul Ibanez. Played it perfectly off the wall. Sometimes you can still get too close to it and you get a big bounce off the warning track. But a nice strong throw after Iglesias hits this hard. He never thought about slowing down. And Raul played it perfectly. And then watch Nick Franklin. He gets the throw, misses the tag, misses it again.
I've never seen that. 7-4-3-6.
There's Raul's throw into second. Again, played it the right way. He's laying on the base. That's just not going to let him get to it.